You can get to Screencastify Submit using two different ways. The one way to do it is through the web browser. Go to screencastify.com. When you're there, you're going to click on My Account. You're going to log in with your Google account. Choose your account. Once you're logged in, Submit will be right here in the left nav bar, and you just click on it. The other way to do it is if you have the extension already in your Chrome profile, just click on the extensions, click on the three bars, and then click on Submit. Either way will take you right there. On the student's side, they'll get to it by going to their Google Classroom, to their classwork. Here it is under Generation Genius, my favorite holiday cookie. They'll click on Screencastify. It may ask them connect to their Google account the first time, but it's the same that you did. They just accept and allow. Turn on mic and webcam, allow, record. And that's it. They record. They say my favorite holiday cookie is a sugar cookie that's frosted because that reminds me of when I was with my grandma, and we used to make these cookies every year. Stop my recording. I can go back and listen to it. And that's it. They record. They say my favorite holiday cookie is a sugar cookie that's frosted. If I like it, I'm good. If not, I start over. But otherwise, I'll submit it. And it's done. And they can see that they have submitted their work. Now let me show you as the teacher how you can go back and look at their recordings. As a teacher, you go into your Google Classroom, go to your classwork, find the assignment. One is turned in. I just pretended to be this poor kid, and I could watch the video right here. And that's it, they recorded. I could respond to it. If I had made this a graded assignment, I could have graded it and I could return it to him. I just showed you how to create a submit assignment and put it into Google Classroom. I know it's there because I have this icon next to it. But remember we said there was another way that you could create a submit assignment, and that's by just generating a link. Why would you want to just generate a link? Well, if you're using Schoology, you put it in there, a hyperdoc, you could put it in there. You could put this out in an email. You could do like we're going to do this time, which is we want to put it into a survey that we may put onto a web page. So I'm going to click on generate a link, click on next. Same options here. You can have somebody either show just their video, their screen, or both. In this case, again, I'm just going to choose webcam. So then I'm going to put a title. I'm going to put opinion poll pets in restaurants. Spell. Down here in the instructions, so again, I put right here, start it within 30 seconds or less, give a time limit to it, provide 2 details for your argument, click on next. Now, unlike what you did in Google Classroom where you could have some assignment options, here you've got some security options. Assignment access, who can see this link when you're done with it? Well, you could say anyone with the link, or you could say anyone in my organization. In this case, yeah, this is an opinion, but I'm going to keep it within the school district. I just want kids to be able to answer it. So I'm going to say anyone in my organization. And you want to make sure that both TISD.org and gcloud.tisd.org are there. So in this case, I can just put in gcloud.tisd.org, press enter, and there it goes. So someone will have to be logged into a Google account in the district to be able to take the survey. Video privacy, who can see it? You can make it so the students can't even see their own video, or you can see it so they can see their own video, or they can see all videos. Well, in this case, it's an opinion, so we'll go ahead and say students can view all videos. Email notifications. Do you want to know when one of your students or somebody else in the building has submitted this video? No, you do not. You will drive yourself crazy with the emails. So I always select off, click on next, and you are done. That's it. There's your link right there to copy. You just click on copy, and then you can put it out onto the web page, onto your Google Doc, out there into Schoology, into the messaging, however you want to do it. If you want to preview it, this is what it's going to look like to the user. They will have to turn on their mic and webcam. They're going to have to allow it, and then they would start recording. Close it. I can come back to it later. Oh no, I forgot what the link was. I didn't copy it. No worries, it's right here. Opinion poll, pets in restaurants, and I can click on copy link. It's on the clipboard, and I can go back and do it. So where do these videos live? You are gonna love this. This is not Google Classroom. This is by link. You go into your My Drive. There is a new folder called Screencastify Submit, automatically generated. Every time you create an assignment, right here, it'll show up. My favorite automobile, my favorite holiday cookie. I haven't refreshed it yet. Let me go refresh it. Opinion poll, pets in restaurants. When you double click into the folder, anybody who has submitted a video, it will show up right here. And your kids, you can provide them the link to see the videos in here as well. Hope that was helpful.